In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and should seamlessly fit into your workflow if you're using Zoho Books to manage your invoices and sales. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to generate a delivery note from an existing invoice, allowing you to better track and document your sales transactions. Let's start by heading to the Sales module in Zoho Books, which you can find on the left sidebar. Here, we're specifically looking for the Invoices section. This area organizes all the invoices you've created, allowing you to efficiently manage your business finances. It's crucial to understand how this module functions, as many of Zoho's features revolve around properly managing your sales data and maintaining accurate financial records. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll need to select an existing invoice from which to generate a delivery note. Browse through your list and click on the specific invoice you've completed and are ready to ship or have delivered. Locating the correct invoice is essential, as this will ensure the delivery note accurately reflects the transaction details with the client. If you're dealing with numerous invoices, make good use of any filter tools available in Zoho Books to help you find the one you need more efficiently. Now that you've opened your chosen invoice, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled as PDF/print. Clicking this will drop down a menu with several options available, each intended for different methods of document handling. This function is handy for businesses keen on maintaining physical records or needing to provide hard copies of documentation to partners or clients. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Print Delivery Note. Choosing this option will transform your invoice details into a delivery note format, whether you intend to print it immediately or save it as a PDF file for later use. This step is particularly beneficial because it automates the conversion process. By turning an invoice into a delivery note, you keep the information consistent while adapting it to a new function within your business operations. And there you have it, a fresh delivery note ready to accompany your products to their destination. Remember, utilizing delivery notes can simplify your logistics by clearly outlining the items being delivered, quantities, and destination details, improving overall efficiency. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful. Creating delivery notes is just one of the many ways Zoho Books can streamline your business practices, helping save time and reducing errors. Don't forget to explore other features Zoho Books has to offer to enhance your business productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more useful tutorials.